Hello everyone, welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to integrate this trigonometry function with respect to x. And the given function is what? Tan x. So we are integrating tan x with respect to x. The first thing we're going to do is to recall from our trigonometry identity. Tan of x is the same as what? Sine of x all over cos of x. So this is equivalent to this from trigonometry identity. So in place of tan x, we are going to replace sine x over cos x. So this is going to be equal to what? Integral of, in place of tan x is going to be what? Sine of x all over cosine of x, then dx. Now the next thing we're going to do is to recall our u substitution. We're going to let u to be cos x. So we let u to be what? Cos of x. Then we differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of u with respect to x is du over dx, which is the same as the derivative of cos x with respect to x is the same as what? Minus sine of x. Now the next thing is to make dx the subject of the formula. So when we cross multiply, it's going to be what? Dx, which is going to be what? Du all over minus sine of x. Now the next thing we're going to do is to replace it back to the equation. Anywhere we see dx, we replace du over minus sine x, and anywhere we see cos x, we replace as u. So this is going to be equal to what? Integral of sine of x over, in place of cos x is going to be u because we let cos x to be u. Then in place of ds is going to be what? Du all over minus sine of x. So that this sine x is dividing this side x. So this is going to cancel this. Then we take this negative out. It's going to be what? Negative, then integral of 1 over u du, because this cancel this. It's going to be 1 over u du. Then the next thing is to integrate 1 over u with respect to u. So this is going to be equal to what? Minus, then we open bracket. Integration of 1 over u with respect to u is the same as what? Ln absolute value of u, then plus integration constant. But remember, we let u to be equal to what? Cos x. So this is going to be equal to what? Minus, then ln, in place of u, we replace cos x. It's going to be what? Ln absolute value of cos x, then plus integration constant. Then this is going to be equal to what? Minus 1. This minus and minus 1 is still the same. Then ln absolute value of cos x, then plus integration constant. But recall, according to one of the property of ln, this minus 1 is going to go and raise to the power of cos x. It's going to be what? Cos x raised to the power of minus 1. So the whole of this can also be written as what? Ln absolute value of cos x raised to the power of minus 1, then plus integration constant. Because according to property of ln, this minus 1 as power here is going to come back to multiply the ln. We still get the same thing back. So this is going to be equal to what? Ln of absolute value of cos to the power of minus 1 can also be written as what? 1 all over cos x, then absolute value, then plus integration constant. And recall from trigonometry identity, 1 all over cos x is the same as what? Sec x. So this is going to be equal to ln, then we replace sec x, then plus integration constant. So this is how to integrate tan x with respect to x. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more.